Hi everyone! Today, at the request of my daughter, I'm going to make you her favorite dish, shrimp pasta. Simple, easy, shrimps, parsley, garlic, salt, olive oil. Usual, if you saw my short video, always when I cook pasta, first thing I do is I make sure I have oil all over the pan so the water doesn't go over. As I said before, pasta water should be like seawater, salty. As you can see, the water is boiling and nothing is going over, so the oil trick works every time. Now we're going to test if my frying pan is hot. Yep, see? We're going to start with putting some oil. We're going to add the parsley and garlic mixed together. Now that the parsley and garlic are ready, I'm going to add the shrimps. I'm going to add salt, cayenne pepper, chili, and bay leaf. Add some water from your pasta so your sauce becomes a little bit more juicy. One last little mix. Now we add the pasta to the shrimps. By the way, if you hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome.